I made it for nothing, no turn into something from that. Yeah. Made it through property on our minority, you know the story.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be installing a T Part Frontal Wig. So you're gonna put on your foundation on your lace so you can hide those knots. I'm going to use some of my extreme gel to brush in my little bar them on the front. Then I'm going to apply my stocking cap so I can protect my hair from the glue that I'm going to use, because this glue is Bowman. This glue is from Poochie Hair Creation. And I'm going to use this Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Spray Adhesive to spray down my stocking cap to protect my hair from the lace with glue. And I am going to ensure that it's glued down properly and none of my hair is left out. After the glue is dry, I'm going to apply my foundation to ensure that the lace matches my skin, and I'm going to cut it off and try my best to blend it in. However, you're going to see that some of the stocking cap is lifting off. I'm a can't nothing about that, so I just work with the flow and just put the glue on my earline same way, but it did work out. As you see, my little son wake up and I did this video with him in my hand. Yes, I did. So I'm going to use Poochie Hair Creation glue, and I'm going to glue down those sides because the other glue that I use, the spray glue, it never works. I'm just use the waterproof glue from Poochie Hair Creations. It's located in Montego Bay, and this is not a sponsored video. The glue just good. I'm just to don't know. So using the Poochie Hair Creation glue, I'm going to apply it on to my stocking cap and some onto my forehead. However, I did apply the glue too far, so after I apply it, I have to clean it up because it is messy. You'll see in the video. This glue is waterproof and it is extremely hard to come off. However, if you want your wig to stay on a month, you can apply 3 coats or 4 coats. But if you just want it to stay on for a week and you want it to easy come off, you can apply 1 coat. Don't apply no more than 1 coat, alright? Because it's too hard to come off. Please ensure that you allow the glue to dry clear before you put on the wig. Do not be like me. The glue never finished fully dried down, but this was about 3 o'clock in the night. I'm just the 10 head. I made have a party if I go. I made it tired, so I couldn't bother. It is late, bad, and I don't have hair for the next day because I'm a hairdresser in my community. And yes, I'm gonna put on the T Frontal Wig. With T Frontal Wig, it's not gonna lay flat and a slimness, but you can see how I make a heist the wig to make the wig look nice. I don't really like T Frontal Wig. You're going to need a wax stick and a hot comb to ensure that your wig is laid flat. So you can turn down your hot comb at 5 or at 10, because if it is too high, it will burn you. Alright, the steamer here will get to you. So turn it down a bit and take your time and use the hot comb to flat down the wig. As you can see, I'm lifting the hair and I'm pressing down. I am pressing down so that this can lay extremely flat. However, I want this to be a bit high, so I am bringing it backwards and I'm pressing it down so it can be flat. You can watch to see how I get the wig to height. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy. Can we just rub it out? I don't want no stacking with you. You know you my thug, and I can't shake this tab enough. I've been down, baby. Never reminiscing. Baby, you're reminiscing. Using an eyebrow razor, you're going to use it to cut off the excessive lace that you have remaining. Take a little time and edge it. Do not cut your lace in a straight line because it's not gonna look like outside your scalp the hair them will come from. So make sure you zigzaggy. You cut it zigzag like, yeah. And I'm cutting off the excessive lace, and then I'm going to use a little bit of alcohol to clean up the glue that you see remaining. This is a frontal. I'm gonna just cut off. There is a lace. I don't know what to get on my head. I'm gonna cut it off, but as you see, too much glue to leave. So I'm gonna use alcohol and clean up that remaining glue. So you're going to take out a few hairs to form baby hair of your preference. Remember, this is a T Part wig. It does not have a lot of hair at the front that you can take out a lot of it for the baby hair. So you're gonna take out one small piece, so it not gonna show the weft. When you take it out, the weft them not gonna show. And you're going to use your eyebrow scissors to cut it off and form baby hair. So using this little curling iron, I'm going to curl my baby hair upwards, and I'm going to use the extreme gel and a comb to form my baby hairs.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property on our minority, you know my story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly away. Call me a present, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas came with me, yeah. The richest, yeah. Rich nigga got us on seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other kids came with it, yeah. I try to fight temptation. Top gun is on vacation.
You're going to use your free spray to spray the baby hair down in place, and you're also going to use it to melt that lace into your skin. And if you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please turn on that post notification bell, leave a like, a comment, and click that subscribe button. And thank you guys for watching. This is the end result.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing, yeah.